Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing with you 3 secrets about exercise. Number 1, there's no elaborate gym memberships necessary, but I like to go to the gym because there's certain exercises I can't do at home that I prefer to do at the gym. Secret number 2, anyone can do it at any time. When we weren't able to get out and go to the gym, there was volumes of exercise available right here on YouTube. All you have to do is go into the search app and punch in what you're looking for. Like if you're looking for seated yoga, you just punch that in and you'll come up with volumes and volumes of exercise videos that you can actually do in the comfort of your own home. And that's actually what I did when COVID first hit. So I still maintain my fitness level despite not being able to go out to the gym. Secret number 3, exercise. Wait a minute, come a little closer. This is really gonna blow your mind. Exercise does not have to be vigorous. Do you want me to repeat that? Exercise does not have to be vigorous or strenuous to get benefits from it. Now, I was always an avid exerciser from my late teens, early 20s till now. I'm in my 50s. And I always believed that exercise had to be strenuous and vigorous to have benefit. And boy, was I blown away when I realized that actually that's not true at all. And by the way, I went and studied for my master's in exercise science, so my mind was kind of prepped to believe that exercise was needed to have vigorousness and exertion for it to have some benefits. And actually, in today's day and age, I balance out my exercise program with yoga. And I had some friends a while back say to me, do you want to go to yoga class with us? And I'm like, hell no, that's corny for me. Like, no way. And actually, fast forward, that might have been 5 years ago. Fast forward to now, and basically, I really, really enjoy yoga for the benefit of what my body gets out of it, the meditative piece of it. And I also enjoy doing Tai Chi, which is another really wonderful type of exercise, which is, of course, as you know, a martial art. But the whole point of it is that it's so slow. I mean, when I first started doing Tai Chi, I was like, what in the world is this? This thing is way too slow for me, and let's get this party started kind of thing. But the truth is, there is so much benefit to it, from the fact that it's relaxing to the fact that you're moving your body in such ways that you never would normally do with vigorous.
Exercise ring closed.
See that? Oh, dear God. This lady's always got something to do. She's always minding my business. Siri. I've done it with my smartphone. As long as you have the YouTube app on there, you can pull up pretty much anything. And again, it doesn't have to be vigorous. So it's so good to be back. I'm very glad to be back on track with this YouTube channel, and I'm really glad to see you guys. And over and out. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next one.